the despair, the agony, and the hopelessness caused by coronavirus. All this may end soon thanks to a vaccine. Earlier, it was estimated that it would take at least 12 to 18 months to make one. But the Jenner Institute and Oxford Vaccine Group in the UK, led by Professor Sarah Gilbert, believes the world can expect a large amount of this magic vaccine called ChAdOx1 by September of this year.
We might have a result by, say, September.
These scientists are so confident that they have already started manufacturing 1 million doses, all at risk of a trial.
We have started at risk manufacturing this vaccine, not just at the smallish scale that Kath Green described, but with a network of manufacturers, as many as 7, in different places around the world. We have 3 manufacturing partners in the UK, 2 in continental Europe, 1 in India, and 1 in China.
You heard that right. While the clinical trial is going to start next week, the manufacturing process has already started at 7 places, including India. ChAdOx1 is only the 4th vaccine candidate in the world, but with the fast test trial process, the others need 2 doses with a gap spanning more than a month and require longer test span due to safety issues. The lead researcher of the project, Professor Sarah Gilbert, insists that the drug is capable of inducing a strong immune response.
So disease X is the name given to the unknown disease that was going to come and cause a pandemic at some time in the future, and we needed to plan for it and be ready for it when it comes. So obviously we didn't know what type of organism disease X was going to be, but we were putting plans in place to be able to go quickly when something that appeared to be disease X popped up. With the vaccine technology, the ChAdOx1 technology, already 12 clinical trials have been conducted against different diseases, and more than 330 people have been vaccinated with ChAdOx1 based vaccines. Across the world, more than 6,000 people have been vaccinated with vaccines using a very similar technology. And this means we know a lot about this type of vaccination now. We consistently see very good vaccine safety and very strong immune responses after a single vaccination, whereas some other vaccine technologies, such as RNA vaccines and DNA vaccines, which we've been hearing about recently, usually need 2 or more doses to work well.
The trial will be completed in 3 back-to-back and sometimes simultaneous phases, and the manufacturing will continue at the same time. If successful, the first batch of 1 million doses is expected to be ready by September.
I have a high degree of confidence, this is my view, because I've worked with this technology a lot, and I've worked on the MERS vaccine trials, and I've seen what that can do, and I think it has a very strong chance of working.
The researchers at Oxford have put millions of dollars on the line by opting to enter manufacturing before the trial results. For them, it's a risk worth taking.
So that's what that's based on.
Professor Gilbert and her team are fully confident of ending this pandemic once and for all. With Ankit Kumar, Bureau Report, India Today.